Hi there. So this is absolutely freaking cool. On the right hand side, I've got a Docker deploy going on for the application, and on the left hand side, it's an Nginx load balancer. The DigitalOcean droplets were created through Terraform, which is made by HashiCorp. They're the guys who also made Packer. And Terraform essentially gets the droplets up and running and various dependencies set up. I'm planning to also take that further and get the based host, if you will, sorted with Ansible. But what you're seeing right now are just two separate scripts. One that pulls down an entire Docker build, if you will, for the application on the right hand side, load balance on the left, and the application is Rails, Nginx, Unicorn, and as soon as the one on the right's done, it boots up two instances of the app, one on port 8080, one on port 8081. That's because I was planning to have an internal fail over mechanism, simply so that I could just use the failover to allow me to update the app, if you will. But the load balancer on the left is an external load balancer, whereas the internal one, so each droplet will have two apps, 80, 80, 80, 81, and the internal load balancer essentially connects over sockets. So there'll be a Unicorn socket and a Unicorn failover socket. So those are pretty much internal failover. That's a minor point, but anyway, so it's pretty cool. This is both of these are running 2 GB instances, 40 GB disk space, in Singapore, and they're pulling stuff down really quickly. I believe the load balancer is compiling Ruby 2.1.2 at the moment. The app on the right is grabbing the gems, so it's doing the bundle install at the moment. Once the bundle stuff sorted, it will proceed really quickly. Yeah, I think it's done now. So yes, now it's going to be the assets pre-compiled. It's a tiny site at the moment, but refreshing the site is really simple. I've tweaked the scripts for that as well, and yeah, now it's going to build the second. So you can see it's from initial box, Rails, and Unicorn, failover. So every single app droplet will essentially have two instances of the same app, and so now I'm just going to see where this is going to end up essentially. The load balancer at the moment is pointing straight to the droplet IP on the second one, but I want to introduce another Terraform to essentially set up AWS Route 53, I think it's called. So essentially it just lets us set up CNAMEs and stuff, and you can dynamically set up IPs through that. So you'll have like a fixed host name. So I'll be able to essentially give these a fixed domain as such. So it'll be loadbalancer.inertialbox.com. And yeah, this should be pretty cool. See what happens at the end of this. So hang tight. I think I will follow up once this is sorted. Thanks for watching.